Hello everyone, welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. This is the Unacademy NEET PG platform, and in this segment we're going to talk about a small image-based or a video-based question I'll be showing you, and give your best participation that what do you feel is the diagnosis. So the question we have is this. This is a very beautiful video which is important for clinical teaching. As you know that NEET and next is approaching, we need to know a lot of clinical based question which will be really helpful for us. So what do you think, guys? Like, what do you think? Can we appreciate any finding in this baby? Wait, I'll show you again. One second. Yes. So can we appreciate any finding in this baby? Can we see bowing of legs? Yes or no? Can we see that? And yeah, so bowing of legs and widening of wrist. One of the important finding which we can appreciate in this baby is nothing but we have bowing of legs. Can we see that this bowing of legs? Yes or no? Yes. So we can see this bowing of legs. We can see bowing of legs, and also at the same time one thing I saw in the baby was widening of wrist. Widening of wrist, bowing of legs and widening of wrist. I'll show you the video again where the baby is showing the wrist. Can we see that? Yes or no? So this is nothing but widening of the wrist. So yes, now the most commonest diagnosis, which is the most commonest differential diagnosis, comes to my picture in such a old child is nothing but rickets. Yes or no? Do you remember rickets, vitamin D deficiency, and all that serum calcium? So rickets number one, it is a disease of growing bones. It's a disease of growing bones, and if a patient comes to you with bowing of legs and widening of wrist, rickets definitely should be ruled out, and you should get a X-ray done. You should get a X-ray done. Which X-ray, sir? You should get the X-ray wrist. X-ray wrist. Okay, sir, what will I get, sir, in X-ray wrist? In on the X-ray wrist, one very important finding you'll get is nothing but what will you get? You will get cupping, fraying, and splaying appearance. Cupping, fraying, and splaying appearance. That is what you'll get in the X-ray finding of the rickets. If this is the bone, then this part, this is the cupping. The bone, the upper end will be like a saucer shape or like a cup. That is the cupping. What is fraying? There'll be like a burnt appearance, like a frayed appearance on the X-ray. That is known as fraying. And what is splaying? Widening of wrist. Widening of wrist is known as splaying. So cupping, fraying, and splaying is what you see as a X-ray finding for rickets, and the patient comes to us with a typical case of bowing of legs and widening of wrist. This is one of the very important videos, has been in recent AIMS questions also. So please pay attention for this video and study well. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead.